Hope there's someone who take care of me when I'll die. Will I go? Hope there's someone who set my heart free, nice to hold when I'm tired. There's a ghost on the horizon when I go to bed. How can I fall asleep at night? How will I rest my head? Oh, I'm scared of the middle place between light and nowhere. I don't want to be the one who left in there, left in there. There's a man on the horizon, wish that I go to bed. If I fall to his feet tonight, will I rest my head? So here's hoping I will not drown or paralyze in life. And good sand, I don't want to go to this ill's watershed. Hope there's someone who take care of me when I'll die. Will I go? Hope there's someone who set my